Have you seen these Thank You 2023 videos in the TikTok or Instagram Reels and want to create a video of your own? Well, I'm going to show you how you can easily create these trending videos in just a few simple steps, and you can then share those videos with your friends or family members. The process is pretty simple, and we will need the TikTok and the CapCut applications for this. CapCut is absolutely free, and if you don't have it, simply download and install it from your App Store or the Google Play Store. After this, we will open the TikTok application and then tap on the magnifying glass in order to open the search bar. In the search bar, type Thank You 2023, and you'll get a bunch of cool videos in the search results. You can see that these top videos have the Thank You 2023 template applied over them, so open any of these videos, and you're going to see a button called CapCut. Try this template. Tap on that button, and then tap on this Use Template in CapCut option. That is going to import the template which we need in the CapCut application, so just wait a second or two. The template is here, and you want to click on the Use Template option in order to open your photo gallery. When your gallery opens, you can select 50 clips. The first clip or photo that you select is going to be your cover photo, and it will last 5 seconds, so keep that in mind. You can take your time here and select the photos and videos you want. And when you select them, just tap on the preview button and CapCut is going to create our video. You can then add sounds, text, or rearrange the clips, or if you're happy with your video, just tap on the export button and your video will be saved. You can now share this video on TikTok or Instagram and have fun. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.